What is up, everybody? Back at it again with another Ae86 episode. Today is going to be a little bit of a different pace. We're going to be doing a product review of the new Time Machine Ae86 Redline Taillight Center Garnish Reproduction. They just started making these. To my knowledge, are the first people who have ever, or the first company to have ever done it. And I have it today, so I'm very excited to get into it and show you guys what it's all about. And I'm also very excited to get it installed on my car. So let's get right into it. All right, here's the first look at the center garnish. It looks amazing. It's made out of ABS. The reflector looks perfectly OEM. And if we turn it around, look at the back, it says Time Machine Ae86 Specialist. It comes with all of the screws and clips, which is dope because my OEM center garnish does not have half these clips. It's kind of just held on by the license plate. Yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. I don't see really any blemishes or anything weird. So let's just get straight into putting it on the car and seeing how it matches up to the actual OEM taillights and just get into how it looks. All right, this is what the back of my Ae86 looks like right now. These are the OEM taillights I got from Flo's, brand new. I'm really stoked about them. This is my center garnish. I use 3M reflective tape on my Koki USDM center garnish. It looks okay, but it's obviously not, you know, an actual garnish. So to complete the kit, I'm really excited that I have this. Put it up in the light. Pretty good to me. Is that pretty good? Yeah, I mean, it's the same size. It fits right into the taillight. It matches pretty good. Look pretty good to you, Sage?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, well, let's put it on the car and see what it looks like. All right, so we've run into the first problem. So my car is originally a Zenki, and it never came with the Koki taillights or the Redlines. And I don't have the holes on my chassis for these studs here. So there's two things that you can do. There's two ways you can go about this. You can either remove these so you don't have to drill through your chassis, or you can drill through your chassis and put the nuts on the end. I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually just gonna slide these bolts out. So I'm pretty sure you can just wiggle these boys out. Boom.
There it goes.
So I'm just gonna remove these because it'll still have the attachments up here, and as well as the license plate bolts are gonna hold it into. I don't really feel like drilling through my car right now. I might do it later, and I don't really feel like doing that. So I'm gonna remove these and we're gonna snap it into place. All right, now that I've removed the bottom studs and clips, I'm gonna install it. These ones should clip into place. My center garnish only had one of these studs, and that's it. So this probably should fit a lot better than the other one did. Ooh, crisp. Try to do this without messing up my gasket. Looks so much better than this.
Oh, it does.
Look at this. Try to leave this on here.
Pull it up next to the other one. Jeez.
Yeah, the only difference that I've noticed that's kind of weird is that this is like a matte black, like textured finish, and the OEM ones, to my knowledge,
Just
like
gloss.
I mean, this is glossy, super glossy because I painted it,
Right.
but they're smooth, and this one has like it has like a texture to it.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I don't hate it. I might make it glossy in the future when I repaint my car, but I mean, all in all, it looks really good. All right, guys, that is a wrap. I am super impressed with the reproduction center garnish. It matches pretty much perfectly. I couldn't tell that it wasn't OEM if I saw this on another Ae86. It's sturdy. It's way sturdier than my last center garnish because it has all the clips. I did take the clips and the studs out of the bottom, but as you can see, that doesn't really make any difference for how sturdy it is. So if you have a Zenki body and you're gonna put this on here, I would recommend to just save yourself drilling holes in your chassis and just take those studs and those little clips out the bottom and it will be fine. But yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. Here's a view from the back. This is a dream come true to have these taillights on this car. I am super stoked. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of where I got the Redline taillights, and I'm also gonna leave a link in the description to Time Machine Ae86 Specialist, so you guys can pick up one of these. I would definitely recommend these. It is amazing quality, and I'm blown away. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. There's gonna be more 8.6 content to come. I've been hoarding and collecting parts to start making more episodes of putting cool things on here and all that good stuff. So anyways, have a good one.